Hey YouTube, this is Michael again, and I've come with another Hero Factory MOC. This one is on Brain Attack, and this is Blizzard Beast, Frost Beast's brother, and as you can see, I made the feat partially using the parts from 2014, and I made the head Frost Beast. The claw is one of the main parts of him, so he can scratch up the hero's armor pretty good. Also, the sword that he uses, and also the bottom of the sword handle. I use these buff armor plates right here for the arms. And as you can see, I did not actually use a brain for this one. This time I used the blade that was on Bike from 1.0. And it's meant to look like a sort of mohawk sort of thing there. And this is just a basic villain for Brain Attack that I just now finished making. And I will see you guys later. Leave a like below, and leave a comment and telling me what I should do next. See you later. Bye.